'cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, 'cause all that is stuck in my head.
Hey guys, it's Jen. Today I am sharing with you my April Costco haul. It's the 20th today, so the new Costco ad just came out yesterday, and I went and picked all this stuff up after work. I spent around $220, so kind of a smaller haul for me, but I feel like I got a lot of stuff that we needed and a few things out of the ad that I wanted. So the first thing I got is the Orida Tater Tots. This is an 8-pound bag, and what I do is just split these up into gallon freezer bags and just store them in the deep freeze out in the garage. And I use these when I make tater tot casserole. Sometimes I will make them for breakfast on the weekends, and then we also have them as sides too with dinner. And it actually is a great price if you buy stuff like this a lot, to just get it at Costco rather than buy the individual bags at the grocery store. The next thing that I got is this Mandarin orange chicken. Connor really likes orange chicken. Well, both of my kids do, but this is just a quick dinner option for us. Now that we are in soccer season, it's kind of busy during the week, and some nights we don't get home until like 6:45, and so this is a good option for a quick dinner. This comes with 2 family-sized bags in here, so we can get 2 dinners out of this. I usually just serve it with rice and pot stickers or egg rolls or something like that. This was on sale, or is on sale right now at Costco. This is the Panko breaded chicken breast tenderloins. Excuse me. I like to get these again as a quick dinner option. When I make these for dinner, sometimes I will cook extra, and then I can use them the next day for like a salad, put them on a salad at lunch, or sometimes I even cut them up and put them in the kids' lunch with some ketchup for dipping. So we really like those, and I was excited to see them on sale. The next thing that I picked up was a rotisserie chicken. These are $4.99 at Costco, and they are a decent size. I like to have these on hand for salads, for lunches. Sometimes I cut up the breast meat and put it in the kids' lunches, and then I also like to make chicken salad with it. So I always try to pick up one of those when I'm there. Even if I don't have a plan for it, I know that I have it in the fridge and we're going to get some use out of it. I also picked up this bottle of Chardonnay. I had some last night. It was pretty good. It's a drier white wine, so unless you like that, you know, if you like sweeter wines, I would probably stay away from it, but I thought it was pretty good. I actually had some last night, so that's why the stopper is in there. I picked up some A1. Adam and I are always joking that we have steak and we're out of A1, and so I told him the next time that I was at Costco, I would pick some up, and it's a better price than it is in the grocery store. I believe this 2-pack was around $8, maybe $9. Which if you buy A1 in the grocery store, one of these for sure is going to cost you $5. So pick that up. We're also almost out of olive oil. I like to buy the olive oil from Costco, and then I have a little olive oil jug that I keep by the stove, and then I just use this to refill that. I also picked up some of these Popcorners chips. They're kind of like really thin rice cakes, but it comes with sea salt, white cheddar, and kettle corn. And the kids really like these, and now that we are in soccer season, they will come in handy definitely to have in the soccer bag for snacks during practice and games. Next, I got some butter. I actually had to use some last night for dinner, so this originally came with 3 1-pound packages. I like to buy this at Costco because then I just have it on hand. I don't have to worry about running out. And you can also freeze this if you're not going to use it by the expiration date. Next, I picked up 2 whole chickens. Adam is going to get out the smoker this weekend, and he's going to smoke some meat. So picked up 2 chickens. He'll end up brining these and then putting a rub on them, putting them in the smoker. They're super good. They turn out really tender. We usually shred the meat And then we have, you know, some for dinner and then have some left over to put in the freezer for a later use. I have seen this before at Costco, but I have never gotten it, and they had a sample of it, and so I wanted to taste it before I bought it. This is a little bit expensive. It is $9.99. It's the grilled chicken and piccata sauce with pasta, and so it comes in here with pasta sauce and then the grilled chicken. I thought it was pretty good. It has capers in it, and so I'm not sure if my kids will be wild about it. They might just pick those out, but this should be enough to serve our whole family for dinner. Let's see how many servings it says it has. Oh, it says 7 servings, but I kind of doubt there's 7 servings in here. But anyway, like I said, it was pretty good, and I thought this was a quick, you know, this could be a quick meal option for us since things are so busy right now. So I think I've also seen Shelly from Shelly's Home Life pick this up before, and her family likes it too. So tried that. And then I also got the Capri Sun juice boxes or juice pouches. They had these on sale, and I think they were around $6.99 for 4 of these, and usually one of these is around $2.50 at Walmart, so that's definitely a good deal. If I go back to Costco before this ad ends, I'll probably pick up another box just to keep in my stash because that's a really good price. Something new that my Costco has been carrying is the Noosa yogurt. This comes with 3 different kinds, the strawberry rhubarb, lemon, and blueberry, and they come in little cups, which are perfect to take to work. I got these in my last haul, if you guys remember or check that out. And these were on sale again for around $6, and so, you know, 12 yogurts for $6, that's 50 cents a cup. You really can't beat that, especially for this high quality yogurt. So picked up some of that. I also got a package of pork ribs. These are for Adam to put on the smoker. This is around 7 pounds, and it was $19.76, so a little bit pricey, but we'll definitely have leftovers with that. We needed some tomatoes, and so I ended up getting these Campari tomatoes. These are just like the smaller ones on the vine. I like these because you can slice them up if you want and use them for sandwiches, or you can also chop them up and use them in salads. So I also got some eggs. I always pick up eggs when I'm at Costco. These are 2 dozen eggs for I think around $3 or something like that. So you can definitely get cheaper eggs like at Aldi and sometimes at Walmart. Recently there was a recall on some eggs due to salmonella, and I think Walmart was one of the places that carried those, and so I ended up having to throw out like half a package of eggs, and so got these to replace those. For non-food items, I picked up some Reynolds Wrap foil. This was also on sale in the ad, and this will last me quite a while. Foil is one of those things where you never quite know how much you have left until you're out of it, and then you need it for something. So I thought I would pick those up to have on hand. I also got a box of the Ziploc bags. These come with gallon, quart, snack, and sandwich bags, and I think they have like a spring print on them. I always try to pick these up when they're on sale because it's a great deal, and we'll use them up definitely eventually for lunches and snacks. These Dixie paper plates were also on sale. I think they were around $12, and you get 186 plates. We don't normally use paper plates like for dinner, but sometimes for breakfast and if we're home for lunch, I'll use them. And then Kira has a birthday coming up, so I thought I would stock up on those. I did not see these in the ad, but they had them on sale at my Costco. This is a 4-piece set. It comes with, it looks like 2 hand towels and 2 washcloths. I've been slowly trying to replace my hand towels just because, you know, after you've been married for over a decade, it seems like all the things that you got for your wedding are slowly falling apart. So if I end up liking these, which I don't see why I won't, I may go back and pick up some more just because I think they were around $8, so that's a pretty good price for that. And then the last thing I got was this Snapware. It's Pyrex containers. So it's like the glass container, and then this is what the lid looks like. It's a plastic snap-on lid. I'm slowly trying to transition my Tupperware to mostly glass, just because I feel like it lasts longer and I don't have to worry about the plastic warping in the dishwasher or warping if I heat something up in the microwave. So I thought this would be good for lunches and leftovers. It looks like it comes with 9 different size containers, and I like that it does have the plastic lid, so you can heat it up in the microwave. But yeah, so that is what I got. Again, this haul was $220. So that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
My heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, 'cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next time.